Again, when Maria is finished with the topping work, Sami will go to the topping work center. And he will pick the unbaked pizza. He will bring it then to the oven in order to bake it. Once again, he can see this on his paper. Because his is responsible for the final and last step on the route, the baking work center. When the pizza is ready, Sami will first cut the pizza and do it into a box in order to give it to the next available driver. In our case, it will be Jamal. When he has done that, he will go into the system and he register his time. So let's get that done by Sami.
Hi, I am Sami, the baker of World Pizza. In this video I will show you how I register my time in the baking work center. So, let's get started. Again, I have the report of the production order on hand. And I will search for the released production order we are already working on. And through the production journal, I will register 15 minutes I spend for baking the pizza. Then I post the journal.
And that is all that Sami has to do. In the next video, Jamal will show us how he delivers the hungry customer and book the delivery in the system.